Just turned 18, scared on a plane, shipped off to somewhere he's never been. Sirens screaming, trying to make it on time. A single mother working a double shift, counting pennies, struggling to feed her kids. Just another day, trying to survive. Here's to the soldiers standing on the front lines, our first responders running out, saving lives. To all the mothers out there staying up all night, raising our kids right. Here's to the teachers staying late after school, all the farmers out there growing food. Thank you all for bleeding red, white, and blue, 'cause that's what heroes do. Yeah, that's what heroes do. From kindergarten to graduation, gave all their time and dedication. You helped to make me who I am. Up at the crack of dawn, working all day long, blazing a trail of dirt out on the farm. Up in a John Deere, moving that land. So here's to the soldiers standing on the front lines, our first responders running out, saving lives. To all the mothers out there staying up all night, raising our kids right. Here's to the teachers staying late after school, all the farmers out there growing food. Thank you all for bleeding red, white, and blue, 'cause that's what heroes do. Hand in hand together we stand tall. That's who we are, that's America, home of the brave, land of the free. So here's to the soldiers standing on the front lines, our first responders running out, saving lives. To all the mothers out there staying up all night.